Next, guys, let's make it faster. So conserving resources, very simple terminologies you have over here. We are going to conclude our chapter with two terminologies: resource conservation, sustainable development, and ways of few principles of sustainable developments, and few principles of, it's a few duties to ensure that our environment is maintained and preserved. Okay, so yeah, so resource conservation means using resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed is resource conservation. And sustainable development means you balance a particular, now for example, I have few resources over there. I have this. Okay, I have a shortage of these resources. Now I have 5 boxes. Actually, I wanted 10 before it was 10 boxes. But thank God, my friends asked me 4 boxes, so I have boxes in which I use one. Okay, I conserve these boxes rather than wasting it, rather than forgetting it. I carefully utilize it. I carefully replenish it. I renew it. Okay, that is resource conservation. But when you are similarly, when you conserve it for the future, it is sustainable development. Simple, guys. I hope you understood. Now, principles of sustainable development: respect and care for all the forms of life, improve the quality of human life, conserve the earth's vitality and diversity, minimize the depletion of natural resources, means stop, depleting your natural resources, use it carefully rather than using it carelessly, change personal attitude and practices towards the environment, and enable communities to care for their own environment. So these are your principles, guys. So yeah, now we have few points over here. All uses of renewable resources are sustainable. The diversity of life on the earth is conserved. The damage to the natural environmental system is minimized. Means you have to sustain the way you use the renewable resources, and the diversity of life on the earth is conserved. The damage to the natural environmental should be minimized. It's not is, should be minimized. Okay, guys, I hope you understood the topic. Thank you. Signing off, Agastya.